Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Squid here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. And if you're following the channel, you may have participated to the giveaway for this beauty here. This has been donated by Marie-Jolie. Here you can see her card. You can check her out on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And this is just a beautiful piece that she donated to the channel for the 1000 subscriber milestone. It's a beautiful, beautiful work that she put into this very knife. Fantastic CRKT Squid, designed by Lucas Burnley in Oregon. It's a relatively cheap knife. It's gonna be $35, made in China, stainless steel frame lock, nicely done. 8CR13 MOV stone washed blade, nice wedge, dual thumb stud, 30% belly, straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Beautiful, beautiful work. Nice finger groove for the lock bar. There's no stainless steel insert. Deep carry pocket clip, relatively low profile. Stainless steel back spacer. It's nice. Overall length of this guy is gonna be 5.7 inches with a 2.15 inch long blade, and I would say 3.5 inch long handle. So it's a compact one for sure. It has a nice weight to it. Fit and finish is alright, especially for the price. Not many hot spots, I have to say. It's kind of like comfortable. I like this finger groove right over here, and the jimping, it's not that aggressive over here. The action is relatively smooth because this guy is running on Teflon washer, so don't expect anything drop shotty or anything crazy, because it's a small blade, relatively light, and on Teflon washer, so can't be drop shotty. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.